Today, research is showing that 92% of DNA damage is caused by mineral deficiency. You see, the greens are the highest source of minerals of any of the vegetable kingdom. What we have to do is have a look at how those vegetables are grown. The soil is used over and over again. Every organic gardener knows that if he grows a crop in his soil, he cannot put another crop in that soil until he replaces all the minerals that the previous crop took out. So what's happening is plants are being grown over and over and over in the same soil. And they're not going too well, so superphosphate's put in the soil. Superphosphate kills the microorganisms in the soil, and they are the ones that are responsible for pulling the minerals out of the soil and into the plant. So now the plant's deficient, even though